Have you ever wondered why, even though you eat vegetables every single day, you still feel tired, inflamed, or not as healthy as you expect? Have you ever bought fresh vegetables from the market, only to feel unsure whether they're really safe for your family? And have you ever thought about how vegetables grown in polluted soil might silently carry things your eyes can't see? If these questions make you pause for a moment, then this message is for you: the hidden side of healthy vegetables. Doctors and food safety experts have long warned that some vegetables absorb more heavy metals from soil and water than others. Not because the vegetables are bad, but because of where and how they are grown. Heavy metals like lead, cadmium, arsenic, and mercury can enter soil through polluted water, old fertilizers, industrial areas, and even past agricultural practices. And once these metals enter the soil, certain vegetables act like sponges, pulling them into their tissues as they grow. This isn't something you can see, smell, or taste. But over many years, long-term exposure can contribute to issues like fatigue, kidney stress, slow detox, and higher long-term cancer risk if the exposure is significant. Again, not from one meal, not from one vegetable, but from years of silent buildup. Vegetables that absorb the most heavy metals. Doctors commonly highlight three groups: leafy greens, spinach, kale, lettuce, bok choy. Their large surface area and thin leaves easily absorb soil and water contaminants. Root vegetables: carrots, potatoes, radish, sweet potato, beetroot. They grow directly inside the soil, so whatever is in the soil goes straight into them. Soft herbs: coriander, parsley, mint. Their delicate tissues can absorb contaminants more quickly than firmer vegetables. These foods are still nutritious. The key is knowing how to clean and choose them wisely. How to reduce heavy metal exposure. Practical daily tips. Here are doctor-recommended, proven kitchen habits that actually help reduce contaminants. Soak vegetables in baking soda water. One of the most effective methods for removing surface residues. How to do it. Add 1 teaspoon of baking soda to 1 liter of water. Soak vegetables for 10-12 minutes. Rinse under running water. Baking soda helps remove dirt, pesticides, and some surface pollutants more effectively than water alone. Use vinegar for root vegetables. Vinegar helps dissolve impurities that stick to textured surfaces. How to do it. Mix 1 part vinegar with 3 parts water. Soak for 5 minutes. Scrub gently and rinse well. This is especially good for potatoes, carrots, and radishes. Peel when necessary. For root vegetables grown directly in the soil, peeling can significantly reduce contaminants on the outer layer. Especially useful for potatoes, carrots, beetroot, radish. Buy from trusted sources. Vegetables grown near heavy traffic, industrial areas, or polluted waterways have significantly higher contamination risk. Choose reputable farms, organic if affordable, supermarket suppliers with safety checks. Rotate your vegetables. Don't rely on the same vegetable every day. A simple rotation lowers your long-term exposure dramatically. Vegetables will always be part of a healthy diet, and they should be. But understanding how to clean them properly gives you control and confidence over what goes into your body. Now that you know which vegetables absorb more heavy metals and how to reduce the risk, you've already taken the first step in protecting your long-term health. If you want more simple, science-based health guides that keep your family safe, don't forget to subscribe and tap the bell button so you never miss the next video. Your health is built by your daily choices, and today, you've made a powerful one.